So we all know we have diabetes and our autoimmune system isn't working properly because of this disease, and our immunity is off. Our body isn't healthy enough to fight off a lot of things, so we are a lot more vulnerable to catching things going around like colds. So I'm sitting here in Florida with our daughter. We had 1 week because our grandson was confirmed. And I was okay then, but then I get to the condo and I have a cold and a sore throat and a cough and a stuffy nose, of course. And I'm glad we did get the ocean view, so at least we can sit on the porch and watch the beautiful scenery and the sunrise and sunsets. So I don't know, I just, every time I come to Florida, I don't know if my body can adjust to the change in temperature or what, but I know the humidity, my feet get swollen right away, so I have to put my feet up or put them in ice water. I'm scared to go down to the pool and to the hot tub because last time I did that, I ended up with the flu. I don't know if it was because of the change in air and water temperature, but I don't want to put myself in that position where I might get pneumonia. So here I sit, trying to do some fun things. This is the first time I've ever had to use the electric carts at Publix. So far I have been having the strength to do the regular carts, push the carts. But with this cold and kind of feeling dizzy, I thought I better just use the electric cart. People are so nice here, they keep saying, "Are you okay? Do you want me to get something off the shelf for you?" And I was like, "Yeah, I'm fine. I can walk, and I could still walk probably, but I'm just kind of feeling a little dizzy." So I thought I'd use the cart today. So we went and picked up a bunch of food. We have this lovely condo with the 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's like an apartment, living room, all remodeled, kitchen, and very clean. And it's on the Indian beaches, which I guess is the Gulf of Mexico. So the weather has been in the upper 80s, beautiful. So I just thought, this disease really sucks. I don't know. Is it because I'm older too? I'm 73 now. When I was diagnosed, I was 60. And I'm still controlling with diet. Low carb, high in good fats. Challenging to find foods at the store, especially at Publix. They don't have a lot of low carb options, or even keto. I've been buying the keto yogurt, the keto brand, which they didn't have. So, but at least they had the unsweetened almond milk. So anyways, I don't want to complain too much, but that's life. So I was just going to also show you what I am working on now. I have to turn this around, I guess. I don't know, it's not showing the other view. I'll have to do that. I was just going to show you. I'll just put this in front of the camera. Okay, that's not going to work.